Good morning, dear colleagues. My name is Nargiza Raskova. I'm a Fulbright Tea alumni 2021. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. I'm a student of MAT program. This is an American University of Central Asia and Kyrgyzstan. And this year I'm completing my master's, and my research paper for this course was game-based learning and teaching the English language in rural areas of the country. So why I have chosen this topic? Because nowadays it's really hard to motivate students in rural areas of the country. I don't know why from 2017 the government added hours, but still in rural areas it's hard to motivate young learners, secondary school students to learn the language. And my research topic, research question was, what is the scope of game-based learning in rural schools of Kyrgyzstan? According to this topic, I have read several kinds of articles, literature review. So, in my various authors' research papers, look through language games from different aspects and from different angles. But the main points which I have done was types of the games, advantages, disadvantages, role of culture, digital games, and early childhood. The role of language games in early childhood. According to this paper, I have created my conceptual framework, and in conceptual framework, culture, gender, and teacher strategies, methods, really how they motivate, how they model, how they instruct the game, they shape the game-based learning, and through this, students can learn, they can gain motivation, practice various skills, and positive environment in the classroom. Context and research method, my voice interview, of course,